fluctuating electrical quantity appear temporarily as a visible waveform on the fluorescent screen of an cathode ray.
Many of the experiments in the advanced labs makes use of oscilloscopes and function generators it is useful to learn their general operation. Function generators are signal sources which provide a specific voltage applied over a specific time, such as a sine wave or a triangle wave. These signals are used to control other apparatus, to, for example, vary a magnetic field, send a radioactive source back and forth.
The switch of function generator. The switch of oscilloscope and the channel 1, channel 2. Turn on a function generator. The digital ones will take a few seconds to complete internal tests, but the analog ones will be ready right away. Turn on the digital oscilloscope after the scope completes its internal test. Press the clear menu button at the lower right hand corner of the display screen. Get a couple of BNC cable from the cable rack. 6 foot length should be adequate. Use the BNC cable to connect the main output of the generator to channel 1 of the oscilloscope and the aux, or the sync output to channel 2. Set the control of the function generator to produce a sine wave about 1000 Hz frequency and a few volts amplitude, depending on your generator.
Is the one that sends the signals to an oscilloscope, and the oscilloscope is the one